Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fraser, plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide, bringing you another incredible herb to add to your natural wellness toolkit. Now, before I begin, I want to share that I'm working on Wholesale for All. It's an initiative to help you access affordable herbs and holistic products at cost price. Now, if you're interested, comment below or email me at hello@naturalworkshops.com. I'll put the email below for you. And you can find out more whether you're in the UK or overseas. Now, today's focus is on a herb called Comfrey. And these Comfrey leaves are known as nature's healer. If you've got joint discomfort, bruises, or skin issues, you'll want to learn more about this remarkable herb. Now, Comfrey, often called knitbone, has been used for centuries to heal bones, tissue, and skin. Its key compound, allotonin, promotes cell regeneration and soothes inflammation. Now, Comfrey is ideal for topical use on sprains or joint pain, and it also promotes wound healing and reduces scarring. It soothes aches and reduces swelling when applied externally. It's important to know that Comfrey contains pyrrolizidine, alkaloids, and the reason I mention this is that pyrrolizidine alkaloids are best used externally, so you should avoid internal consumption without professional guidance. Now, here's a simple DIY salve that you can make at home. All you need to do is melt half a cup of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of Candelilla Wax. Now, that is a plant-based wax that you can use in a double boiler with your half cup of coconut oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of the dried comfrey leaves and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and pour into a jar to cool. Now, you can use this salve to apply to bruises, strains, or dry skin. I'll put this remedy in the description below so that you can use it if you want to use comfrey leaves externally as a remedy. Now, you can find ethically sourced organic comfrey leaves at naturalworkshops.com, and don't forget to claim your 50% discount as a first-time customer. Also, join our Telegram group to learn more and connect with others on their natural health journeys. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell for more valuable content, and share these videos with others. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.